We got 2008 Taurus X with a Misfire. We read the codes, and the codes are injector pulse on cylinder number 1. We already started on this, so this is kind of starting in the middle. We hook up our node light. And we start the clock. As you can see, we have no injection pulse on number 1. Cylinder number 1 is in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since we know that the power to the injectors is there because the other injectors are firing, so our problem should be in the negative or ground side of the injector, which is supplied by the computer. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if there is a signal coming from the computer. Now this can be for 2 reasons. Either the computer is not sending the ground signal to the injector, or the wire is not carrying the signal to the injector. So we looked up the wiring diagram, and we know is pin number 52 is the control for the injector, which is on plug 175E. So we back probe it carefully, and we see if we have. Can you go ahead? I'll start the car. Now we see this is continuous ground, which means that the wire is not coming to the injector. So what I'm going to do as a proof of concept, I'm going to bypass the wire to see if the problem is... Ma'am! Ma'am! So as I was saying, as a proof of concept, I'm going to bypass the wire and run a wire directly from the computer to the node light. Oh shoot. And as you can see, the computer is sending the signal, just the wire is not carrying the signal, so we have a break in the wire. So we're going to find that break, and we'll get back to you and show you where the break is.